Hey guys, welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventure. I'm your host today, Larock, and today I'm going to create for you guys one of my favorite appetizers. This appetizer is a shrimp toast. It is very, very easy to do, and it doesn't take a lot of product or time to make. I'd like to shout out all of our new subscribers to this channel. I'd like to shout out all the old subscribers to this channel. I thank you guys very much. I think we're around the 700 mark. We're slowly growing, and I most appreciate you all. Okay guys, we have 9 ounces of raw peeled and deveined shrimp. We're gonna season it with a 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, which you want to start mincing it out to begin with, but it's still going to go into this processor and blend up a little bit more. But you definitely don't want to leave it in whole chunks. You want to cut it down. All right. We have tuxedo sesame seeds, which are white and black sesame seeds that we're going to put on the top as a garnish. And of course, we have some good old white bread. All right. All right. And magic trick time, 1 egg. Okay, 1 whole egg. So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 9 ounces. Whoa! Don't drop your egg on the floor. You're gonna take your adventures. You're gonna take your 9 ounces of shrimp, raw shrimp, and just put it in your food processor. Shout out to Robocool, because as you can see, I don't have a food processor. I'm using like a blender, so that's gonna work just as fine too. You can beat your egg, or just simply throw it in there, because once it blends up, it's gonna be all beat up anyway, so you'll be straight with that. We're gonna go with our 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. There's a little bit more, the rock style. Soy 1/2, if we got enough in there. If not, I got plenty of packets from the store. Bam, mission accomplished with that. Then the sesame oil. Okay, if you guys know anything about Asian foods, they use heavy soy sauce and heavy sesame oil. Sesame oil really gives it that kick, that flavor. The soy gives it the kick. The sesame gives it that nice flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go with a 1/4 teaspoon of the Old Bay. And we're not gonna use the tuxedos until last. Okay, like that. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. I'm just gonna make that 1/2 because I like the spice. So I did end up putting 1/2 teaspoon and just 1/4 teaspoon of the garlic. See, mine are heavy, a little bit heavy. Okay, boom. So we have all of our ingredients in there. That's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. Okay, this is nothing serious. Get that on here. Mix it up a little bit. I'm just pulsing it. Sorry about the noise, guys. Take it off and shake it a little bit. You see the top's not fully blended. Just shake it up a little bit. Sexy Larock style. See, this is why, shout out to Robocool, why I need you guys for a little sponsorship, because I don't have the equipment that I need, and I'm definitely gonna need me a Robocool. So shout out to Robocool. Robocool, send me some emails at Larockscooking, gmail.com, and send me a R2 or better. All right, guys, looking like we're there. Okay, so what we have here is like a shrimp paste. Okay, now time to move on to the next step. Okay, guys, so this is what our shrimp paste looks like after you've ground it all up. We're just gonna take 6 slices. I'm gonna start with 3, cut them diagonally with a serrated bread knife, and just be gentle and cut down. Okay, what we don't want to do is smash it down. Now while we're doing this, you're gonna turn your stove on to about a 3-4 low heat and get your oil heated up. You're gonna need about 1.5 quarts to deep fry this, because these are gonna go into the fryer, guys. Shrimp teas. Okay, so I have a healthy portion, as you can see here on there. All right, if you make it too thin, it'll just be like bread. Try to level it out even in the center, from the center outwards. Okay, boom, like that. See that, guys? That's what you want to do. Okay, guys, so we have the shrimp paste over the bread. We used 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice, 4 slice, and 1/2. So this recipe made 4.5 slices. It gives you 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pieces total. We're just gonna drizzle some of the sesame seed on top. We're gonna do these half with them and the bottom half without. And if you'd like, you can pick either white or black sesame seeds, however you like it. But what I have in the house was mixed, so I'm gonna use the mix. All right. Shout out to the mixed seeds in the house. Rock got plenty of mixed seeds running around there. All right, these 4 will leave without the seeds, so you can see the difference. All right, so next we're gonna go into the deep fryer, which has been heating up already. And we're gonna place them face side down inside the fryer. All right, guys, now that we have the tuxedos on top, we're just gonna go ahead and place these in the fryer. Be very careful, as you don't wanna burn yourself. 1, 2, 3. And looks like we'll fit 4 in here comfortably. And I'm gonna set a timer for 4 minutes. Shouldn't take much longer than that. Okay, my temperature is on number 7, which is a medium heat. I'm gonna turn this joker up to an 8. Okay, get it really popping. We can leave it here on 7 and let it slow cook, but I'll be impatient, so it is what it is. I turned it up to 8, guys. Could have been a little more hotter, but this is fine. Make sure you don't disappear when you drop these into the fryer. Okay, I have here what you call a fish spatula. But if you don't have one of these, you can use your regular old tongs. And worst case scenario, you can use a fork or spoon. We're just gonna let these fry. Again, we got the timer set for 4 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them one good time. I'll flip them again in another minute. Come on. Oh, these are beautiful. See them looking all good, guys? Yeah, baby. Every now and again, just push them down a little bit. Let them do what they do. These look beautiful, guys. This Larocks in the house. let them do what they do. Occasionally pushing them down. Alright guys, that 4 minutes is almost up. Just gonna turn them one more again. We got like 40 seconds left on the timer or something like that. I can't see it because I actually turned the oven on. Because what I want to do for you guys is go ahead and put these in the oven just for like 3 minutes to try to crisp them up a little bit. They're already crispy. They're nice and crispy. These are going to be done as is. But for you viewers who don't really have those greater cooking skills, what I want you guys to do is just go ahead and put them in the oven for no more than 5 minutes at 400 degrees. No more than 5 minutes. You don't want to burn them for sure. Now, shrimp is light, so it cooks relatively quickly. And to be honest, I've made this several times over the past month, and I didn't put them in the oven at all. But again, it's for you, the viewers. I just want you guys to be a little bit safer with this. And that joker popped up. They're ready to rock and roll, Larock. Let me just take them out, sit them on here. Puffed up nice. Okay. Now 4 minutes should be going off any second. Let's see where you at, Forster. Oh, right now. Timer's up. So we're gonna put the last of the toasts in. Boom. 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 Can we get this last one in there? We're gonna make it work some kind of way. Boom. Rocky style. Okay, there it is. Timer, 4 minutes. I'm gonna drop this temperature because it's nice and hot. I'm gonna put it at 7 and then salad. See how these did the okie doke on me? They puffed up, but then they deflated down. But that's okay. These are good. When these get done, we're just gonna set them in the pan with them. And then put them in the oven for that 2-3 minutes. All right, guys, we got a minute left on this one. And these are nice and toasted. 50 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out. Cut the heat. Ooh. Bam. Okay. See what we're looking like? These are ready to rock and roll. But like I said, for you rookies out there, we are gonna put them in the oven just for, 2 minutes, no more than that. All right, guys, we got 4 seconds on that 2 minutes at 400 degrees. 2 minutes, 400 degrees. Take these out. Like that. They flattened out, but they're all good. Their love is love is love. These are hot. Alright, guys. There you have it. Put a little green on this plate. Boom. Larock shrimp toast. Let's take a look. And then I'm gonna take a bite. How we do, guys? Take a quick bite. Let's see what it look like. Guys, don't eat all these. Because I'm gonna eat all these. But make sure you share. Okay? Sharing is caring. I want to thank you all for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, And check us out, Larock's Cooking Adventures. Alrighty. Peace and blessings. Thank you all.